Hello, in this video, I want to talk about making decisions using microcontrollers. To help us along, I've got some hardware. It's an eBlocks 3 board with a screen display. I've got a combo board, which is a combination of a bunch of switches and LEDs. And here on port A, I've got 8 switches, and each one is connected to 0, 1, 2, and so on. And on port B, I've got 8 LEDs. And those are connected to B0, B1 through to B7. And we're going to use the switches on port A, the LEDs on port B to show you how you can make decisions using if icons in Flowcode. This is Flowcode program, and on the panel, I've got the 8 switches on port A and the 8 LEDs on port B. And I've put the binary equivalent for each bit, as you can see there. This is the program. I've got a loop which loops forever. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking the input of the whole of port A and I'm putting it into the variable input. And the variable input has an initial value of 0 and it's type byte. So it can store the number between 0 and 255. So port A goes to the variable input. And then what I'm going to do is have a small test. It's a test for the variable input having the value of 16. The value of 16 means that just this one bit 4 here, will be high. So it's testing to see if switch port A bit 4 is being pressed. If it is being pressed, then what it says is, okay, put an output of 255 onto port B. Now 255 is all of the LEDs on port B added up. So if you add 1 to 8 to 64 to 32 and so on, you get the number 255. So if A4 is high, then it's going to put all the LEDs on. If it's not high, then it's going to put all the LEDs off and it's going to go around the loop again. And if we simulate that, you can see it working. I'm pressing the switches one after the other. It's only when 4 goes high that the LEDs are turned on. And if we look at the hardware, I've downloaded the program and you can see it's just the same. If we press each in sequence, it's only when we get to 4 that the LEDs are lit up there. Okay, thank you for watching.